we're giving you another delicious pork recipe from the Burn Cookbook. And she's back, the one and only Carnie Wilson. Somehow, all we remember are those iconic ads telling us pork should be white meat.
Pork, the other white meat.
But we've been cooking out all the flavor. Some things are meant to be left in the past, while others are not. So now we cook pink. Join me and my guests as we cook my favorite pork dishes with recipes from my Burn Cookbook. Hello.
Hi, honey.
Now, we are cooking pork today.
Good.
You love pork. What's one of your favorite pork dishes?
Well, I make these amazing Hungarian pork chops, and I serve it over these egg noodles with poppy seeds, and it's to die for.
Okay, well,
The pork chops.
we'll make that next episode.
That's the next one.
But this
Perfect.
episode, we are making pork tacos.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love tacos?
Oh, please. Let's taco about it.
Okay, Carnie, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven to 375.
Yes, because we're roasting this pork tenderloin.
Absolutely.
And I'm gonna start with salt and pepper, of course.
Salt and pepper is the base to pretty much everything we make.
Yes. And then I see you have a dry rub.
Yeah, and so we're gonna make a dry taco rub for the pork. So we have cumin, we have smoked and sweet paprika, we have chili powder.
This will really flavor that pork, right?
Ooh.
Oh, wait a
Make sure
minute.
you get all sides.
Mama doesn't miss a side.
Now for our tacos, we need to make vacation salsa.
What does that mean?
Add your pineapple. Pineapple goes so well with pork. Onions, we're gonna do tomatoes, cucumbers, jalapeno. Now see, it's vacation salsa because you have the pineapple, the lime. It feels like you're on vacation.
This is my favorite thing. Can I just add some of this in here?
You can do whatever you want.
It's part of your recipe?
Hey, Carnie, this is your
Cilantro?
party. I'm just invited. You do whatever you want. Like at this point, you make the salsa.
I think we need more
So
onion.
how's your day been? Good?
Oh my God, I'm totally adding this to it.
Hey, it's cooking. You know what? You just do it on as you go.
Perfect. Wow, look at that. It smells amazing.
smell it?
Yeah.
I'm smelling
And on the tacos.
hints of
Vacation. Whoa, that's weird. That's weird. That's weird.
Carnie, I think it's time to check on the pork.
Let's do it. And it's been roasting for like 25 minutes or so.
We're almost at the 30 mark, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Great color.
Wow.
Look at
All
that.
right. Wow.
Perfect.
Before we cut it, all right, we're checking for 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it's gonna sit for 3 minutes.
Perfect.
You want a 3-minute rest after you bring it out of the oven.
Almost there.
Almost there, climbing. Yep, 145.
Perfect.
Perfectly cooked. We want to slice the pork thin for our tacos.
Right.
Ooh, that blush pink color. That's how you know the pork is cooked perfectly.
Perfect.
And you know it's not going to be dry. Now that we've cooked our pork to blush pink, it's time to assemble our tacos.
Yay.
Open up those shells right there.
Okay. Smells good. The corn.
Yes. And what we're going to start with is a little bit of lime crema. It's just sour cream, lime zest, and lime juice, just to kind of solidify everything together and help our tacos stick together and add a lot of lime flavor. Then we're gonna add our shredded cabbage. We're gonna add the pork. Here we go. Here comes the star of the show.
Yes.
Look at that, a nice heaping pile of perfectly cooked pork. Now it's time to take this bad boy on vacation. Let's add our vacation salsa. Oh, you can smell the lime. You can smell the pineapple. Beautiful. And we're gonna top it off with some lime juice. Take that lime, squeeze it right on top. You can never have too much lime when you're cooking tacos, right?
Love the lime.
And if you want to, you can add pickled onions on the top for some color and some flavor.
That's beautiful. Look at that.
And that is a perfect pork taco. I mean, we have vacation salsa.
Look at this.
We're out by the pool.
Are we gonna try these?
Yes, let's try them. I love this pork. Wow. That's how pork is meant to be cooked. Perfectly pink, perfectly juicy, perfectly tender. Oh, I can't stop eating this.
I know.
Oh, really? Come on, sit. Good boy, stay. You can have a little baby piece of pork. Because you were such a good helper today. Hey?
Yay! Pork tacos
High
for
five,
Bradley.
Brad. Good job.